video. I got 3 things to say. That's right, not 4, 3. I want to give a special shout out to Mr. Nick Johnson. You've been the Freaks fan for a long, long time, and I totally appreciate it. Keep on writing to me. Suggestions. I answer all questions. The Freak gives a special shout out to you, Nick Johnson. You are just like the Freak. Awesome. Second point. I got a special fan who wrote to me. His name is Stephen Fucitola. And he wrote, Freak, how many languages do you speak? Well, obviously, Stephen, the Freak, speaks 4 languages. That's right, 4. That was obvious. Language number 1, English. Yes. No. Please. Thank you. Language number 2. The Freak actually speaks French. That's right. Merci. S'il vous plaît. Oui. No. And that's about it. Language number 4. Can you guess what it is, Stephen? The Freak speaks burpees. That's right. Language number 4. Your favorite Fartian. That's right. Check it out. Now, wasn't that awesome? Yeah, it was. So finally, I got another fan who wrote to me, Mr. Andy Duarica. And he claims that drinking room temperature Schweppes Club Soda makes you burp even more than Pepsi. No way, that's impossible. So the Freak decided, alright, we're gonna test Mr. Duarica's theory. So what did the Freak do? Went and bought myself a couple of cans of Schweppes Club Soda, Pepsi, and we're gonna taste test this, actually burp test this, in my very own unique Iron Maiden glass. I know you're all jealous. And my À tout le monde Megadeth beer glass, which you don't have, but I do. So, without further ado, Schweppes. Yeah, baby. Cheers. Now this is all I could find. They're mini cans. It's about 222 milliliters. So 444 milliliters in all. A can of Pepsi obviously has 355, but who gives a shit, right? So Megadeth and Iron Maiden, Pepsi, Schweppes, burp, face off. All right. Yeah, baby. So, this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to start with the room temperature Schweppes. I'm going to drink it all, and then we're going to count how many burps I can get out of this compared to the Pepsi. Alright, so here we go. And this is for all of you fans out there. I love you all. And tell all of your friends about me. I need more subscribers. And, times are tough, but I love you all. Fuck politics. Fuck coronavirus. Live your life free. Liberty or death. For, big governments, I don't care where you live, US, Canada, UK, France, wherever, big governments suck. Now, for my 3 favorite fans, Mr. Steven Fuchitola, Nick Johnson, and Andy Dwarica. Here we go, baby. As my friend Badlands Chugs would say, enough talk. Time to chug. One. Two. I can tell you right now, Andy, you are wrong. Pepsi's gonna win. I feel it. Four, baby. That's gonna be 4.5 for Schweppes. Now, cheers, baby. Ice cold Pepsi versus room temperature Schweppes. 5.5 for Schweppes. Make that 5.5. So, 6.5. Cheers. Oh yeah, baby. This is the stuff. 1. Two. Pepsi. Love the taste, man. Yeah. 4. Already. I told you. Make it 5. Already had like a 6-pack for breakfast. I think that's what, 7.5. Pepsi wins. Andy, you lose, man. The Freak officially declares Pepsi is the winner of this contest. Still, I want to thank you, Mr. Dorica, for your suggestion. It was awesome. I love you, guys. Stay tuned. I'm always there. If you have any questions or comments, I always answer my fans. I love you all. And until next time, burp ya!